welcome in this tutorial where we will discuss about the else if statement. By now we talked about two conditions, two statements, the if and else statements. If the if statement is false, the else condition runs. But what if we work for, let's say, Microsoft, and our boss says, okay, look, I need you to run a program. If x is equal to y, run that program. But if x is bigger or equal to y, run that program. If y is bigger, for example, than x, run the program. And he gave us this information. Okay, but we have two conditions. What we're going to do about this? We only can say if x is equal to y, print this, and if y is bigger than x, print this. We need one more condition. So the way to do that is simply by the else if condition. We're telling our computer, for example, if x is bigger or equal than y, print out x is bigger or equal than y in end line. You see, it gets formatted automatically. So, like our boss said, if x is equal to y, print out this message. If x is bigger or equal than y, print out this message. If y is bigger than x, print this message. So that's the use of the else if statement. It lets us run other conditions instead of running the if loop. So instead of having spaghetti code that's called like 10 if loops, 10 if conditions, we can just run else if after else if, how much times we need. And if we have another, for example, we cannot write else if for every number. And at the end, we just basically write else. If else, for example, y is bigger than x, just print that out. It doesn't interest us to write else if 1000 times. So that is the basics of the else if statement. I hope you guys enjoyed and see you in the next video.